You earn $100, and the first thought that comes to your mind is, what if I turn this into $1,000? Hold on for a second. Your thinking isn't wrong, but let's be honest, saving money sounds boring. So let's stop calling it saving and start calling it interest. Let's talk about time doing the work for you. What if I told you that one small decision you make today can decide whether you retire free and wealthy or spend your entire life stressed about money? The scary part is that most people never realize they made the wrong decision until it's already too late. This decision doesn't require a college degree, a six-figure salary, or rich parents. It requires only one thing: consistency. Most people believe wealth comes from big salaries, big risks, or big lucky breaks. But the truth is that real wealth is built from small decisions repeated over and over again. What you do consistently matters far more than what you do occasionally. Today, I want to show you how saving just $100 per month can completely change your financial future. Here's a fact that might shock you. According to recent surveys, most Americans can't even handle a $1,000 emergency. Not because they're lazy or uneducated, but because they're trapped in a cycle. They earn money, they spend money, and the cycle repeats again and again. Nice phones, nice clothes, nice cars, but no real wealth. The scariest part is that most people don't even realize they're actually broke. From the outside, life looks successful, but on the inside, there's constant financial anxiety. When people think about being rich, they imagine Wall Street investors or tech founders selling companies for millions. But those stories are rare. The real secret to wealth is incredibly boring. There's no drama, no hype, and no get-rich-quick scheme. Just time, consistency, and compound growth. The path to wealth is quiet, predictable, and that's exactly why most people ignore it. If you save and invest just $100 every month, you're already ahead of more than 60% of people. Not because $100 is a lot, but because most people never save at all. Think about a few coffee runs, some online shopping, or subscriptions you forgot you even had. The real question isn't whether you have $100. The real question is whether you're willing to redirect that money from consumption to your future. Wealth doesn't start by earning more. Wealth starts by saving more. A teacher once told his students that if they invested $100 every month, they would retire wealthy. They laughed because it sounded too small to make a real difference. But it wasn't magic, it was math. And more importantly, it was about habits. Small habits don't feel powerful at first, but over time, they shape your entire future. In 10 years, investing $100 per month adds up to around $18,000. That doesn't sound impressive, but over 40 years, you invest $48,000, and that money can grow into more than $350,000. Over 85% of that comes from growth, not from your effort. Your money starts working harder than you ever could. Time is what turns ordinary savings into extraordinary wealth. The hardest part of this strategy isn't the math, it's the discipline. Every month, life will tempt you with a sale, a trip, or a lifestyle upgrade. Wealthy people aren't stronger than you. They just automate their decisions. They pay themselves first, without thinking and without emotion. Automation protects your future from your impulses. When you watch your money grow, something changes. You stop asking how much you can spend and start asking how much future freedom you're giving up. That $100 dinner is no longer just $100. It's hundreds of dollars your future self will never receive. Every dollar you invest is a vote for the life you want to live later. Your greatest asset isn't your job, your house, or even your money. Your greatest asset is time. Every month you delay is growth you can never get back. Your future isn't built in big dramatic moments. It's built through quiet monthly decisions. The best time to start investing was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Your future self will thank you.